Hi everybody, I wanted to share the January Whiff Box unboxing. For those of you that don't know, every month Scentsy comes out with a new Whiff Box and it's a surprise, so you don't know what you're getting, but you're paying less for the box, which is $30, than you would if you bought each product individually. So this month's theme is spa, so like time to pamper yourself, it says. And it has a Scentsy bar, banana leaf, and bamboo. It's a fresh floral scent. Starburst Sky hand cream. This is one of the fragrances for the Valentine's collection. It's fruity, apple, vanilla, coconut, and amber. And that's the hand cream. And there's a hand soap, Just Breathe. This one is a fresh fragrance, eucalyptus, lemon, and mints. There's also a sugar scrub in Luna, very popular. So this is a more floral scent, jasmine, sweet pea, freesia, berries, and sandalwood. And they've also included a sample tester of the February scent of the month, which comes out February 1st, pink coconut. This one is also fruity with coconut and vanilla. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.